What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with another hot video, giving you the updates of these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. And today, we're going to talk about one of the coins that nobody have really been talking about. That's right, we're going to talk about Spell token. Right now, Bitcoin is doing its thing today. It's still holding strong. We still nearing the 52,000, 51,500, but Bitcoin have been showing great strength, holding steady. We haven't even had any wild dips. We've been seeing some altcoins go parabolic, like ArcBlock, like AIOZ Network, Jasmy coin. These coins are going parabolic. Now, this is a good sign for the overall market. We know what time it is. There will be a lot of other coins that will be running and going parabolic, just as ArcBlock, Jasmy coin, and AIOZ network is running. But today we will talk about Spell token. Spell token is one of the coins that I brought to you guys probably about 6 months ago. Spell token have been under the radar and it have been beat down. Currently, Spell token is at 0.006. 0.0006, 3 zeros and a 6. It's the number 482 coin on CoinMarketCap. Currently, Spell token has a market cap of about $67 million. And we know in the previous all-time high in 2021, Spell token hit 0.07, hit 7 cents. So if it get back to the all-time high, there you have it. You got another coin that your boy Stock Holiday call another 100x coin. That's what we're looking for right now at this time of the market, before things really take off and before things really start going parabolic. You want to find these coins like this, the coins that's been trading sideways, the coins that's been under the radar, and the coins that have already shown that it could go to great heights. Like this coin have already showed that it could go to 7 cents. Currently right now it's 0.006. 0006. That's 3 zeros and a 6. So if it multiplied by 100, it'll get back to the all-time high. So we're seeking coins like that can give us great gains. Even if it do a 25x, that will be great for our portfolio to multiply by 25x. Now, Spell token is what they call it is an abracadabra coin. An abracadabra money is what it will be used at. It'll be used in the metaverse, and it'll be used in various gaming plays, gaming coins like Illuvium, Gala Games, Yield Game, things like that. So we know the metaverse is going to be a big thing. You got Sandbox and so many other metaverse plays that will be developing, and there will have to be some type of currency that will be used. And Spell token seems to be the coin that they will be using the currency to make the various transactions. You can use your Ethereum, you could use your Solana, and you could convert it into Spell token. And then once you're done paying your fees, navigating around the metaverse, once you're done playing the various games, then you can cash out. You use your Ethereum and Solana as like a collateral. And from there, you'll be able to get some Spell tokens, and from there you'll be able to navigate through the various metaverses. I know Snoop Dogg got a few metaverse lands set up. He said he's going to set up some different neighborhoods, some different venues, have some different concerts. Everybody's going to be in the metaverse. Everybody's going to have their own avatar. It's pretty much like that right now. If you look on Facebook is like a metaverse. You really don't know who those people are behind those names, but everybody communicate with each other, everybody socialize with each other. So, it's getting, this metaverse thing is really getting ready to take off. They've been talking about it for some years. These gaming things are getting ready to take off. We know all the kids love the gamings, and so many adults love these different gaming platforms. So the coin that'll be used for these two events will be Spell token. So you want to get into coins while they're real low, while they're beat down, and before they really start to take off. Like I said earlier, we see coins like Jasmy coin start to take off. Nobody was ready for Jasmy coin, but boom, just out of nowhere, green candles start spitting out. folks start jumping back in Jasmy coin. Plays like ArcBlock. ArcBlock is a fairly new coin. It was trading sideways for a little bit. Well, actually, ArcBlock was from 2018. And ArcBlock, I think the all-time high for ArcBlock was a $1.26. Was it a dollar? Yeah, it was $1.26. And if you look at ArcBlock, it's going parabolic. It's at the all-time high. So who knows where a play like ArcBlock can go. Once it surpassed the all-time high, there's no ceiling. It's unlimited. There's no resistance levels or anything like that. So this thing can run. It may retrace a little bit and start back running. There's really no ceiling. It will be making a new ceiling. And what a great time to make a new ceiling when you're in the bull market. So we're going to dollar cost average in spell token while it's low right now, 0.0006. And we're going to wait. I could see this thing doing 100% within a week, knocking off a zero. So this is an exciting coin. You may want to put this coin on your radar and see how it and monitor it throughout the week. But put it on your radar and do a little bit of research on it. Check the charts and see how it performed in 2021. And see what multipliers it hit. But right now we are in a great space. We're in a great time. Like I said, there's so many coins that are starting to run. They're popping up out of nowhere. But this is the season. This is what we've been waiting for. This is what we all love. This is why we've been struggling, and staying 10 toes down during the bear market, so we can recoup the benefits of this bull market that we are in the midst of. So, we're going to celebrate. We're going to enjoy in it. But the main thing, you want to continue standing to your fundamentals. You want to continue being patient, because we know all of our plays, yeah, they may seem beat down right now, but we know in 2025, most of our plays will be multiplying by a minimum of a 10x. We've seen plays multiply by 2x in just 1 week. Jasmy coin did 100 and maybe 50% in 1 week. ArcBlock, it's killing it in 1 week. So, a 10x, it may sound like a lot, but man, these coins can do a 2x in 1 week. So a 10x is, it can knock that out in 2 months. If this is your first time in the market, once you start seeing these coins go parabolic, it's going to be unbelievable. But the main thing you want to be is patient. You want to trust the process, because if you're not patient, you will see your coin run up and you will want to sell. You'll be like, I know it's going to pull back. I know it can't keep running, but you're in the bull market. When these things run, they can run for 3 or 4 days. Your account, will be elevating. But like I said, that's what we're here for. That's what we've been training ourselves and preparing ourselves for over the past few years. Dollar cost averaging in while the prices were real low, while Bitcoin was beat down, $15,000, $20,000. We were still in the game. A lot of folks said Bitcoin's going to go down to 10,000, going down to 8,000. It kept on running, 25,000, 27,000. It pulled back to 24,000. But, we understand the 4-year cycle. We knew where Bitcoin was going. Even, when it hit 49,000 on January 10th, January 11th, it dipped back down, like 38,000 within a few days. Folks were saying, oh, it's going down to 32,000. It's going down to 25,000. That's not what we worried about. We are worried about eclipsing the all-time high. We know we're going to beat the all-time high in 2024. So we're not worried about no dips or anything like that. This blockchain is a ticking time bomb. This thing is set, and the clock is already set. It's already prepared. All you have to do is trust the process and learn about the 4-year cycle. This thing is set. It's kind of like we got cheat codes. So you want to take advantage of these cheat codes right now before the governments and these large institutions find out some kind of way to reset that clock, to reset these blockchains. They have all the smart minds looking into these blockchains, trying to see how they can manipulate, get inside of it, and twist that clock so they can get us off. And we going to continue thinking it's going to be the 4-year cycle. They're going to reset it. They're going to find some kind of way to make that 4-year cycle probably turn into an 8-year cycle. But right now we still have opportunity to take advantage of Satoshi's great mind of setting and starting the Bitcoin blockchain. So like I said, I just come to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. just to continue to give y'all that good motivation, join us over there in the Patreon. We got a nice community over there. We dropping buy signals. We dropping sell signals. We giving you motivation. If this is your first time in the cryptocurrency, you will want to be in a community like ours over there, so you can have somebody to bounce ideas off of, so you can have somebody to hold your hand through the process. But that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.